and welcome to the video illustration of the book Mastering HTML, CSS and JavaScript Web Publishing, written by Laura Lemay, Rafe Colburn, Jennifer Kiernan and published by BPB Publications. This is the latest version and covers nearly all the aspects of web and gives the details about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this video we will be giving overview of some topics of the book. So let's just move in. The book starts with giving a brief about the web. The World Wide Web, commonly known as the web, is an information system where documents and other web resources are identified by URLs which may be interlinked by hypertext, and are accessible over the Internet. The web is a hypertext information system. Cross-platform, distributed, dynamic, and interactive. Further, we are having web browsers. Web browsers are the application we use to view pages and navigate the World Wide Web. A wide variety of web browsers are available for every platform. Most generally used web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Opera, and Internet Explorer. Each web browser has its own advantages when run on their specific platforms. Moving on, we have HTML. As HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML was originally based on the Standard Generalized Markup Language. HTML basically describes the structure of a page and it does not describe about the page layout. HTML is a markup language, which means that you start with the text of your page and add special tags around words and paragraphs. The tags indicate different parts of page and produce different effects in the browser. Although HTML doesn't say much about how a page looks when it's viewed. Cascading Style Sheets CSS enables you to apply advanced formatting to HTML tags. HTML has evolved to the point where web publishers are intended to use CSS for formatting instructions. Moving on further, we will see what more we can do in HTML and CSS. HTML helps to perform many different operations using the tags like: we can add lists which can be ordered, unordered and definitive. We can add links. We can change or manipulate the style of text or of the page. Apart from just showing textual things to the user, we can also add image, audio and video to the web page. The book covers about all these tags and other styling of the web page through HTML in details. You will learn more styling tips and tricks in the book. Responsive web design, or RWD, is a way of thinking about web pages that assumes that every person, every browser, every device that views the page is different and yet they should all get access to the same content. The ultimate goal of a responsive site is that it has one code base of HTML, CSS and JavaScript that can be displayed on any device that wants to view it. It means that the same HTML document could be viewed on a small cell phone and then a large monitor, and while it might not look identical, it would be functional in both places. That's all for this video. This book is perfect for the ones who want to learn web development or want to make their own site. As this book doesn't require any prior experience of the reader. You can work through each lesson sequentially to make you thoroughly understand all the concepts and the methodologies, or you can focus on specific lessons to learn the techniques that interest you most. You can start learning at your own time and at your own pace. Each lesson ends with a workshop section filled with questions, answers and exercises to test your knowledge. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on our books.